standing on the edge of forever, at the start of whatever, shouting love at the world. Back then, we were like cavemen, but we mapped the moon and the stars, then we forgave them. We will meet you where the lights are, the defenders of the faith we are. When the thunder turns around, the run so hard we'll tear the ground away.
You know one dies in these love drowned eyes, through our love drowned eyes, we'll watch you sleep tonight.
Come on! Although no one understood, we were holding back the flood, learning how to dance the rain. We were holding back the flood, they said we'd never dance again. Bleeding, but none of us leaving. Wash your mouth, son, or you'll find yourself floating home. Here we come now on the dark star, seeing demons, not what we are. Tired minds and eager hands who try to strike, but not will answer day.
There's progress now, where there once was none, where there once was none, then everything came along.
Although no one understood, we were holding back the blood, learning how to dance the rain. There was more of them than us, now they'll never dance again. Although no one understood, there was more of them than us, learning how to dance the rain. We were holding back the blood, they said we'd never dance again. We will meet you where the lights are, the defenders of the faith we are. When the thunder turns around, they'll run so hard